Hello friends and welcome to Learn, Apply, Build. We can see that India, Sarvam has come up with the LLM model and let's get started. So let's create a file which can say like test.py and and in the test.py, let's start coding. Let's say that we have to import or from Sarvam. So that's the library name. Now, if you don't have Sarvam AI, you'll have to install it using pip install. I've already installed it, and you need to import Sarvam AI, right? So after that, you create the client, which is let's say which is this code, the client Sarvam AI. You create a client, and once the client is created, you pass the API subscription key. So I've already created one API subscription key. Now, for the response, it's very, let's say it's very straightforward. So we create response is equals to client dot, and let's say that what we want to do is we want to translate this text, whatever the text is. So text dot translate, right? And we pass in the values, that is all the values which are whatever the input we want to pass, that is input equals whatever I want to pass. Like let's say I pass hello and my name is Meet Jethwa and welcome to Learn, Apply, Build. Now, what this tool is actually trying to do here is it will translate the whole sentence to whatever language you ask it to. Okay, so now that's the first sentence. Now we have source language code, which will keep as auto. These are the other parameters. I'll just paste the parameters and I'll just walk you through the parameters now. So the parameters are source language code, which we have set to auto, and target language I've set it to Hindi, and that is Indian Hindi, and the speak gender or the speaker gender is male. So now what I do is I print the response, and I get this sentence. Obviously, I'll remove the key, so no worries. Now just let's run the file and let's see what the output is. So I have the output. Now the output actually translates the whole sentence. Okay. And let's say, okay. So now we create another file, which is a test of Sarvam TTS. Okay. So let's create a file which is testing of TTS, that is text to speech.py. And here, what I'll do is I'll pass that whole sentence. Okay. So the initial part is the same. I'll have to have the response. Each and everything would be the same, but I'll have to just import some other things. Let's just import these two first, and I'll pass it here. Now I'll just paste, I'll import one more thing is from. Now we have a very cool feature from Sarvam AI, that is we can play the audio. While saving the audio, we can also play it. So let me just show you how. Sarvam AI dot play. So you can actually, while saving, you can test the audio files as well. Okay, we import play, comma, save. So if you don't want to play it, you can not play it. You cannot, if you don't want to play it, you cannot import it. You don't need to import it actually. And now what I do is I just copy and paste the response here. Now response is, now what we are doing here is client, after the creation of the client, we have the method called as text to speech.convert. Now let's just paste the whole sentence and here, which we had already created. Let's just paste it here. Now see, this is whatever the name is, and learn, apply, build mein aapka swagat. So that is that it has translated. Now we just need to play that, and also we need to save this response. So let's save the response in an output dot wave file, in an output dot wave file. So now this, whatever language you see here would be a proper Indian Hindi or Indian English, right? So let me just run this file.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मीत जेठवा है। लर्न अप्लाई बिल्ड में आपका स्वागत है।
Getting my point? So that's the thing. Now we can also explore some other, let's say, other languages here. We can explore in the documentation. We can also see what all languages are present. So language identification and language. So translate. So let's say translate is GU Hindi. So when I pass here GU Hindi, so first I'll have to generate some text in GU Indian, that is GU. So that'll generate it in Gujarati first. Okay. And I'll just paste that text here again. And let's see if it plays this. Obviously it play. Generate an output file.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मीट जेजिता है। लर्न एप्लीकेशन में आपका स्वागत है।
Okay, I didn't save it. Yeah, I have already. No, okay, so that's it. Okay. Oh, okay. So we need to change this as well. GU Indian. So that is Gujarati Indian. Now,
નમસ્કાર, મારું નામ મીટ જેઠવા છે। લર્ન એપ્લાય બિલ્ડમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે।
so that's Gujarati for you guys, and we can select all these languages: Punjabi, Odia, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu. Okay, so these are the languages currently supported, and the model which is there, which Sarvam AI has launched, is the name of the model is Bulbul. Okay, so that's the latest model which they have launched, and you can just go ahead, guys, and just explore. They are giving of when you log in or when you create an account, they are giving you a free credits which are worth 1,000. So go ahead and explore and keep learning. Thank you so much.